model, 2015 Renault Trafic Vivaro Business Plus 1.6 DCI starts runs needs turbo repair no VAT. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 144,045. MOT, the 10th of December 2025. Engine, 1598 CCR9M 115E5A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Ford turbo replacement job. Engine and gearbox a perfect absolute bargain with no VAT to pay. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it.